Here's the answer for day 3. Evaluate the expression. So first question, 9 minus 3x, and we're told x equals 2. So take the value of x, 2, and substitute it in place of the letter x. So our expression becomes 9 minus 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, so 9 minus 6 makes an answer of 3. Now question B, do the work inside of the grouping symbols first. So the 90 minus 9, you do that first, that makes 81. So now we have 81 minus 81, and that's all divided by 3. Figure out the numerator first. 81 minus 81, that makes 0. And finally, 0 divided by 3 makes 0. Question C, 2/3 times 24, or you might speak that as 2/3 of 24. You could do this in your head. Find 1/3 of 24, which is 8, and then times by 2, which is 16. Or you can work it out a little bit more mechanically. 2/3 times 24. Make sure you put the 24 up in the numerator spot. You can even put a 1 down here to kind of hold the position. And then 2 times 24 makes 48. And in the denominator, 3 times 1 makes 3. But when you divide this, 48 divided by 3, you're going to get 16. It's probably easier just mentally to figure out that 2/3 of 24 is 16. Again, the way you do that is you find what 1/3 of 24 is. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Then to get 2/3, you would times that by 2. Question D, 2 to the 3rd power is 8 because 2 to the 3rd power means 2 times 2 times 2. Now plus, we have 3 to the 2nd power raised to the 2nd power. Well, 3 to the 2nd power is a 9, and then 9 to that 2nd power is 81. Then minus, we have 15 to the 0. There's a rule in math that any number except 0 raised to the 0 power makes a 1. And then finally, plus. Now over here we have 1/3 raised to the -1 power. So we're going to apply a rule about exponents that are negative. And that rule is that negative exponents create reciprocals. You flip this upside down. So 1/3 to the -1 is the same thing as 3 to the +1. So here's our new expression. 8 plus 81 is 89. Minus 1 makes 88, and then add 3 makes 91.